Welcome to the Texas Probate Overview, and we're going to see if we can do this in 3 minutes or less. I'm Robert Jewett, and yes, I am a Texas attorney. Step 1. File the application and submit the will. The application will be developed by your attorney using information from the will and the death certificate. You are required to submit the original will to the clerk if you have it. The death certificate is not required to start probate, but it does contain the information you need to complete the application, and it has it all in one place, so it makes things easier. Step 2. Wait for the hearing. Texas requires a 10-day waiting period. That doesn't mean you'll get your hearing in 10 days. 10 days is just the soonest it can happen. In large counties like Harris County or Dallas County, you can expect to wait 2 to 4 weeks before you get on the court's docket. The 10-day period also allows for someone with a competing will or someone who wants to contest the will you have to make their filing. So that way the court knows there's going to be a will contest. Step 3. Attend the hearing. Most courts are doing this via Zoom, but in some cases you will need to go in person. Your attorney will tell you what's going to happen with that and how it's going to work. After the hearing, the judge is going to sign an order admitting the will to probate, and you can obtain letters of authority. These are letters testamentary if you are the named executor, or letters of administration if you are not the named executor. Both amount to the same thing. They give you legal authority to act on behalf of the estate. You show these letters to places like banks, insurance companies, and mortgage companies to demonstrate you are authorized to act on behalf of the estate. Step 4. Administer the estate. That requires you to do 3 things. You gather the assets, you pay the bills, and you distribute the property that's left over. And while there are some exceptions, you pretty much will do it in that order. So what's next? Well, you can take a deeper dive into the probate process. You'll find links for that below in the comments. You can also learn more about the administration phase. That's the piece of probate that people often forget about. And while it sounds easy, it often isn't, especially if the estate has complex assets, numerous creditors, or beneficiaries who are not going to be very cooperative. If you want to know more about me, you can click that last link to find me on the internet. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like so other people can find it as well. Until next time, I'm Robert Jewett. Take care out there.